Hey guys, so excited to share with you my Fab Fit Fun box for fall. So let's jump in and see what's inside. All right on top, I see these really cute shell inspired clips, whether they are shells or not. I do know that when you go through your box, there's a lot of information in the booklet, so I'll definitely be checking that out. I have a HelloFresh $80 coupon, some other codes, multivitamin mask. That looks fun. There's 5 of them in there. I love masks. I try to do them once a week, and it's fun to have my daughter do it too. I got a pumpkin spice petty in a box. Comes with a sea salt soak, a sugar scrub, mud mask, and massage butter, and 2 complete 4-step pedicures. That sounds fun. I'll have to do that with my daughter. We will love it. Okay, I got, it looks like it's like a blanket scarf, and it's really pretty. I wonder if I can open this one-handed. Let me see if I can. Okay, I just got it out. It's actually really soft and beautiful. Also got the rose gold 25 mm curling wand. Looking forward to that. I'm getting a new wand. Hopefully it gets really hot so that my curls will stay. And then I opened up this box too because I thought it's going to make a lot of noise, but this is a hydration mason jar. It's more than a mason jar, so I actually opened it up, and it's got a sleeve, and it's glass, and you can see under there, but it's got a lid, so it's great to be like a shaker cup, and things just taste better out of glass, so that's kind of nice. And then also this glow milk. I cannot wait to try this tomorrow, but it says that you put 3 dots where you want to illuminate, so probably on your cheekbones or maybe on your nose, and it looks like it's got this rose gold color, so it's called glow milk. And that's what's in my box. And I think what I'm most excited for is probably this pumpkin spice pedicure. And that'll be a lot of fun, as well as these masks, and these hair clips are just pretty. So I'll have to do my hair curly and then with the new wand and use this. But these boxes are definitely worth their value. I know I have a discount code, so I'll put it in the description box. But I think it's around $50. And with the discount code, you save money off of that. But it's only once a season. So you get fall-inspired items for the fall, and you get a winter, spring, and summer. And I just love it. It's fun for the season, something special for you. It's fabulous, it's fitness, and it's definitely fun. So all the cool gadgets and gears, definitely.